clear waterfalls flow endlessly over smooth rocks, their gentle streams sparkling under the sunlight like strands of silver. The water glides gracefully, creating a soothing melody that echoes through the peaceful landscape. On both sides, lush green trees stand tall and vibrant, their leaves swaying softly in the breeze as if dancing with nature's rhythm. The rich greenery frames the waterfalls perfectly, enhancing their pure beauty and creating a scene that feels both magical and alive. Birds sing from hidden branches, and the fresh air carries the scent of earth and leaves, making the entire place feel like a serene paradise untouched by time. Streams fall from the sky, dancing where the mountains lie, crystal whispers soft and bright, shimmering in golden light. Through green forests, wild and free, they sing a song of purity. Each drop sparkles as it flows, a peaceful rhythm nature knows. Waterfall cascades gracefully, its crystal clear waters shining in the sunlight. Surrounded by lush green trees, it creates a peaceful and breathtaking natural scene.